Home Depot, breaking news just moments before the earnings call. It is a beat, but there's a warning. However, it comes exactly at the same moment that we get PPI, and it's a huge drop. Is it a surprise to me? No. It's why I'm fully invested and fully in a margin with the S&P 500. It's not a surprise to me. I know inflation is coming down. It's come down lower than the 2%. There's no doubt about it whatsoever. It's the US is using backward lagging indicators. The UK, Europe, India, other parts of the world have known this. Like Canada, they've also dropped their rates. Other countries around the world have dropped rates. The Fed are behind the curve. However, the US economy is strong and they can get away with this but we've got a warning from Home Depot, but the markets have rallied today. No surprise at all if you are in the S&P and you are all in. Of course, this is fantastic news today because rates will come down, interest rates will continue to come down, inflation is coming down, but it means, in my opinion, that we've reached the bottom. We're going to get a soft landing. We are touching recession. Recession is the bottom. It's the time to get in. But now people are chasing and I'm already in, which is great. Let me share you a warning, though, from Home Depot sent in by one of our members, Mike. We want to thank Mike for this. Just come in. This is just a few seconds before the call goes live. So let me just share this with you. Home Depot issue a warning. No surprise, really. The consumer is spending less. That's what this is all about. That's what the what the Fed have been trying to do. Cool the market down, cool the economy down. Home Depot says consumers are feeling crummy about the economy. They are dishing out less to remodel their homes. The home improvement giant, a bellwether of consumer spending and the housing market, lowered its sales expectations for the year. It said customers were spending less on home improvement projects, pressured by higher rates and concerns that the economy is getting worse. During the quarter, high interest rates and greater macroeconomic uncertainty pressured consumer demand more broadly, resulting in a weaker spend across home improvement projects. Ted Decker, Home Depot CEO, said in a news release, I think that's quite funny when you think of Black & Decker, Ted Decker. I wonder if there's a relationship there. Someone's probably going to say, well, yeah, it's his dad or someone like that, Black & Decker, I don't know. Anyway, the old Black & Decker sander, all right. Anyway, Home Depot said Tuesday it expects sales at its stores open at least 12 months, sales at stores open at least 12 months to fall between 3 and 4% this year compared to last year. That's down from its earlier estimate that sales would fall about 1% by that measure. Consumer demand for home improvement has been slumping for about a year, and the economy said the story hasn't changed much. Still, Decker remained optimistic, saying the underlying long-term fundamentals supporting home improvement demand are strong. Absolutely, they are. This means we are at bottom now. This is fantastic. This is what an investor wants to see. A long-term investor wants to see this. So, Home Depot earnings is just moments away. It's a beat, but a warning going forward. That's what it means. That's a recession or just touching a recession. We are slowing down, but we're not going to crash. Those that have said would get a 60% drop, like Meet Kevin, will do anything to get you to watch, and all sorts of drama YouTubers. The world's coming to an end. We need to run away and stick our heads in the sand or whatever. No, the economy is fine. This is how it works. There's not going to be a 60% drop. There's never been a 60% drop. And we are in a very strong position now, at least if you are in and invested. And I am all in, as you know. I expect a 3x by the end of the decade on the S&P. We're not in an AI bubble. That's doing well. Nvidia is a $200 stock. Home Depot is strong. It'll be back. This is a great opportunity. I'm loving it. Inflation's down. PPI is down. Everything is fine. There's nothing to see here, folks. Thank you, MJ Dobbin. Click above my head for all the links down below in the description. You might want to go and check out the Home Depot earnings. I'm about to stream it live, or you can catch it later, and I'll put the main video here so you can actually watch the enhanced video after it broadcasts. I improved the audio. Up here and down here, I'll put something else that might be of interest. Can't think what it is right now, but something amazing just down here. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other.